Hello, my Mocha and Milk friends. Today we are playing Roblox. I'm not sure what we are playing, so yeah, don't mind my Miku. I just want to find the marker, so I'm going to be playing that. It's just loading. Um, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, or not subscribe. Yes, and subscribe. I'm so sorry. I haven't been posting for a long time. Um, um, if I hit 2 subscribers, I would be very, very happy. If I hit 10 subscribers, then I will do a name reveal. So you don't have to call me It's Boba Bear anymore. You can just call me like my real name. And you will. How do you stop? Uh-oh. Okay, much better. Uh-oh, I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. Ew. Um, welcome. Do you have any questions? Um, I found the explorer. What do I do? More dialogues choices. How many markers? Who built this game? Okay, how many markers? Currently we have, uh, okay, I don't know if I would play this game. I'm gonna go check in this house. Wild you found? What? Okay, um, well, I found a fire marker. I'm getting so many badges by this game. Oh my, there's a crayon there. Found B marker. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a crayon. Sorry if I don't say it right. It's just my pronunciations. What is this? Capless marker. Is there any here? Assembly line. But this game is so easy. 1 second later, I'm going to find out. Ooh, parkour. Okay. I don't do parkour on my computer, so oh my gosh. Anyways, I don't do parkour on my computer, so I'm bad. No, it sends us all the way back here. Uh, I think we went here. I'm not sure. Did we go there? I think we did. I see the capless marker. I heard jumping makes you faster, so okay. Excuse me. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What? Uh, I'm not even gonna talk about that. Ball marker. I thought that was just purple marker, so I ran over it. Hello, creator. Is there any marker? Nope. Oh my gosh, I see stack marker. I see blue marker. Oh my gosh, this is literally so easy. 1 second later, not able to find it. Hello? I want I want to find you. You know what? I'm gonna answer your question first. Help! What's wrong? My friends are gone. Can you help me find them? Sure. Okay, there's three of them. A red one, a yellow one, and a green one. Thanks. Okay, now I want to get you. Hello? I want to get you. Hello, can I get you? No? Okay. I want to get up here. Hello? Can I get up here? Oh, I want up. Okay. I heard there's a marker here. Is this picture marker? I want. Hello? Okay, you know what? Maybe that's just fake marker. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at Parker at this. What? Did I see something? Oh no, that's a drawing. I will rage. I am literally going to rage. Like, you've seen my Robloxian face? Nope, okay. Literally hate this. Did I find any markers? You found a triple marker. I thought it was a stack marker. Yeah, I want to get you. Why don't it work? Hello? Can I get you? No. Am I seeing something? Wait, I thought it was like a marker. Uh, maybe there's a marker here, y'all. Uh, eggs. Huh? Oh my, is this king marker? Hello? I found a big orange marker. Hello, can you help me find my baby is miss. Hello, can you help me find my baby? My baby is missing. Where did it go? It left mountain biome. I don't know where it went though. Okay, I'm not ever gonna find it. Hello? What is this? Uh, how do I exit? Uh oh. Whoa. Help. I thought, okay. I thought that sticky note was something. Hello, I want to get away. Oh, brown marker. Maybe if we go here, here, and then here. Sorry guys, I'm itchy. Hey, I found you. Try so hard to look like Jerry Cooper. Super duper, come this way for rock foundation lipstick. Or amber in the mix. Next. Oh, is that snowman marker? Okay. Um, am I missing any marker? Like, is this a carpet marker? Not even gonna mind that. Okay. I want to get snowman marker. Think that's a marker. I'm not sure. Is it snowman marker? Found water marker. Is there any more markers here? Okay, I know there's a marker there, but I'm gonna get this one first. Dark blue marker. Hopefully this saves, cause like I'm going to make a part 2 in I don't know, any time, any day, any hour, any time, any month, any year, any century, and even when the world ends and I'm never gonna make it. Okay. Anyways, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Um, and yeah, goodbye, guys.